Hey everybody, I am done with my Wednesday Addams book and oh my gosh, my house looks like, well, a tornado hit it, but I had so much fun getting this put together. Wanted it put together before I go see the girls. So I did it. I did it. I did it. So here's the cover, and I put these here cuz needed to cover something up there, so I think it's cute. Those are the foam bows from Hobby Lobby. There's that lace. I've been through sections of it, so if you don't want to watch it again, but here's the spine. And for that, I got this a long time ago on um, Amazon. I'll try to find it and see if I can link it below. So it kind of has this linen silky feel to it, but the problem is that I made the spine wider than this so that I covered it with the tape. It was the whole thing. But put the eyelet in, and I just tied in with wax, the same wax string that I sewed the signatures in with, and I did some beads. 3 strands. So there's that strand. There's this one, and I just tied them in because it's hard. I put this down lower, and I have a hard time finding a clasp or loop that'll fit there. So, and then there's this one, and I love these little, those are from Michael's a long time ago. And I put a key at the bottom, so I went through all my stuff. Yeah, like it turned out cute. I think she's gonna like it. Oh, and then this as well. Very pretty. Okay, so there's the cover. I covered that up, that's right. So this is sticker paper, or not sticker paper, glitter paper from Dollar Tree, and then I just ran these off on digitals and then did my oxides around it. I think this is perfect in a world full of Mondays be a Wednesday. Oh gosh. And then I reinforce the folds with washi before I start sewing. And there's the original page. There she is. And then this is a flip little piece here. And I used a lot I just bought this sticker sheet from Hobby Lobby. So I used those, made a tab. And then there she is, hugging her Build-A-Bear. And like I said, I apologize. I've shown these by section. So you probably see most of this especially. Here's this. And then I did a tag in there of her. Oops. I tried to, oh my gosh. See, when you go through these things and you're like, okay, there's a journaling spot. There's another little digi. And then this is Dollar Tree, and that's that lace that I used from Michael's, and some rickrack I recently bought at Hobby Lobby. There her is. Oh my gosh, look at her. She picked these outfits herself. What a character. So, and there's that sticker there. I did this to reinforce. And there's a little, I don't remember, something needs to go in there. I don't remember what it was. Okay. See, when you go through these with everybody, it's like, okay. I don't know if I had pictures that fell out or what I was going to do there. I'll figure it out. And I made this. And this is another little flip. And then there's a little rosette. I made a copy of the cover page. So that's the same. And put it there. And that's the first signature. Again, too big a gap, but what are you going to do? Somebody had sent me this in their things they had made, and there's the Addams family, so thank you. Crafty Angels. There she is in her new Barbie outfit. Isn't she just a stylista? What is it? Fashionista, that's it. There's the page. And then this is a digital. And inside there, I did this rose. Love You to the Moon and Back, because underneath there is her and her daddy. And then a little flip over. Here she is with her signed first haircut. Oh, so cute. And then this is just another digital. This is all digital papers and a digital and that tab. I did a belly band, and there she is when we were all together on 4th of July. And the belly band has some more of the Dollar Tree. Here's a digital paper, and then I put some of that lace at the bottom. And there she is in some of her school clothes. She was showing everybody. I bought her that shirt. I didn't realize it was a belly shirt, so what are you going to do? And that's that polka dot paper that I got recently in those mystery packs from Dollar Tree. Hobby Lobby. Sorry, guys. I keep umming. There's another digital. I did some breads, say Tori. This is a flip. And then I did this here because this is a flip. There's that digital, and there she is. We went to Funko when they were here last. And there's another one of those covering a blooper. Isn't she cute? Look at her. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Grandma love. Love always. And there's my girlies. So this is supposed to go like this, and then open it, and there's the girls. Me and the girls. The girls and I should say. And then this is part of an envelope, the other side. And in it, I put this on it so they'd know to pull this beautiful picture out. And then this folds over. Let's see if I can do this. I don't know how long these books will last with little hands, but that's okay. And then I put that there. So it's just like a pull. Let them know to pull it. Here she is when we went to the zoo. There's her haircut. That's not really but she got her hair done for the first day of school. So sweet. And there's, what is her name? Morticia. And then I did a pocket back here. And here are some pictures. And then I did this, and I tore the top of the black to do the pocket. And then I signed it, Handmade with Love for Tori by Ba, because they call me Ba. Don't know why, but they do. Tori started that when she was little, and you know, what are you going to do? Can't argue with it. Too cute. I regret this because the face is covered. But there's that. So yeah, oh my gosh, you guys, I had so much fun with this. I need to reinforce these bows. I just stuck them on with the glue, but I don't predict they will stay on. But yeah, I had so much fun. So I did one album for each of the girls. I don't think they turned out super cute. Getting better at doing this. Very fun, especially when I have a purpose to it. That kind of motivates me to get her done, right? I don't know what I was going to stick in there. I'll have to come up with something. Maybe some of those pictures that are in the back. So, let me know what you think. Be nice in your comments, of course. You guys always are nice, so I don't even need to say that. But yeah. Oddly, I do get thumbs down, but you know what? It is what it is. There are people out there that just like to do that for some reason. I don't understand it, but it's not a big deal to me, so don't feel like that's my focus. I don't. See, here's the... Did I show this part? A little flip up? Yes. Okay. Can you tell I'm excited? I keep looking at it over and over again. So there's space for them, or for me, to add more pictures as we go, as she grows up older. But yeah, so there you go. If I can do it, you guys can do it. All right? Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.